Hi friends, I'm Dr. George Michael. I'm a doctor at first choice homeopathy. We have three branches: Bangalore, Udupi, and Bangalore. Today my subject is allergic rhinitis, common cold. When the body exposed to allergens, the mast cells from our body secretes a kind of chemical mediator called histamines that give rise to allergic reaction symptoms. Running nose, stuffy nose, itching in the ear, itching in the palate, in the mouth, okay, kind of breathlessness, wheezing symptoms, okay, kind of eczema symptoms or hues, so frequency of headaches, okay, a discoloration around the eyes. These are allergy reactions commonly we've seen there. Okay, now the question is, what are these allergens? There are basically two types of allergens are there. One thing is like seasonal pollens, okay, second thing is um, dust, mite, okay, it could be more. Third thing is like animal dander, so that may cause us the allergens. Now usually seasonal comes in the flowering time and tree times, okay, that is in spring. Third thing is the grass and weeds is usually seen in the summertime. So now who are risky people? The person who is working in the like more pollutant area, okay. Second thing is like smokers, okay, more of humidity, the windy time, okay, the person like frequency of using of the any sprays, perfumes, okay, and the family history of any asthmatic attack, allergic reaction. These are the commonly people get affected very easily. Okay, now the very important fact is what happens if you neglect this case. What are the complications? Usually complication of this allergic rhinitis, they tend to end up in the like worsening of the our development of asthma symptoms. Second thing is development of a sinusitis or sinus congestion. Third thing is development of ear infections, okay. Third thing is the frequency of headaches. So now what are the treatment options? Usually people when they get affected, they usually get end up in a taking of antihistamines, okay, otherwise decongestion remedies, otherwise using of nasal sprays, otherwise using of the any eye drops, okay, otherwise corticosteroids. So now once you start off using these antihistamines, there is a suppression of histamines in the body, because whereas histamines are a very important factor in order to maintain the local immune response, okay, development of neurotransmitters in the brain, okay, and maybe in the brain, uterus, and the spinal cord. Third thing is like it helps in the improvement of the inflammations in the healing system. So by suppressing the histamines, we get into the danger, like in the dangerous zone. Okay, now the very important factor of my homeopathy subject, like we call homeopathic immunotherapy. So it requires a long-term commitment in order to wind up or get the disappearance of all the symptoms. Second thing is, okay, uh, homeopathy medicines usually improve the IgE, we call immunoglobulin epsilon. So that is one of the very important antibodies which prevents the future complications. Okay. Third thing is, by using homeopathy medicines, so most of the long-term complication can be prevented through the homeopathy medications. It has got only primary action; it doesn't have any secondary drug reactions. So it's always advisable to go for the prophylactic drug actions, so that gives the primary actions. So with this I'll wind up this condition. To reach me you can contact me these numbers: 8277165971. Thanks once again.